Welcome to painting watercolor tropicals with water-based markers. This is my third class on this subject. I have fallen in love with this technique. It's simple and it's absolutely beautiful. You can create an exquisite painting with just a few supplies, even inexpensive supplies, in just a few steps. I'm Charlotte DeMolay. I'm an artist, writer, and a little bit of an art world bender. For me, art is as much about the process as the product. I love experimenting and playing around and seeing what my different materials can do. I currently live in coastal Florida, and the inspiration here is incredible. I'm a gardener and I love all the tropical flowers. I feel like I'm living in paradise all the time. And needless to say, it has given me a lot of inspiration in the studio. That's why it was perfect to pair this technique with tropical flowers. I cover some different techniques in painting watercolor botanicals with water-based markers. You don't need to have taken that class first for this class. They're completely independent, and each one shows some different techniques to use with water-based markers. We'll try using one color for highlights and shadows. We'll also explore leaving the white of the paper and how that affects your painting. We'll get a little bit loose with some color blending and water blooms. Then I'll show you how to take a complex flower, the bird of paradise, and break it down to where it's very simple and very beautiful. And in the last demonstration, we'll use the background to illustrate the flower, which is a great technique for white flowers or light colored flowers. So join me for painting watercolor tropicals with water-based markers. Thank you.